Do you know you can use Gemini models in Xcode 27? Let me show you how in this video. I have launched the intelligence window in Xcode 27 and selected Gemini. So you have noticed you can use any of these Gemini models in a project you want to build on Apple platforms. For example, you may want to use Gemini 3.1 Pro or Gemini 3.1 Flash. So let's look at how to get that integrated in Xcode 27. So to use a coding model from Anthropic, use Gemini or any other third-party coding agent, you should go to the Xcode menu and select Settings. Then you click Intelligence. After installing Xcode 27, you can connect Cloud Agent, Codex, or Gemini. Installing, for example, Codex helps you to get the latest models from OpenAI. As I showed you here, we have GPT-5, so when we install Codex, you can use GPT 5.5 instantly. Let's click Gemini to install it. After installing Gemini, we need to set it up. So you have noticed here, I haven't signed in. I will click the ellipsis. There are several options. You can use your Gemini API key from Google AI Studio. You can use the API key for Gemini Enterprise and authenticate with configuration files. Let's select the first option. I will add my API key and click Done. Under Analytics, I will enable this option and close the window. I will also close Xcode and launch it again. I have launched a Swift file in Xcode. To start with a new conversation with a coding agent in Xcode, you go to the toolbar and click this button. You have noticed here, we have GPT-5 by default. However, you can bring models from other platforms. To do that, you need to go to the top left of the toolbar and click this button instead. Over here, you can start a new conversation, and once you click New Conversation, you have all these options. I will select the Gemini option. So you can go ahead and add a new prompt to start chatting with Gemini. In the chat area, we don't have an option to pick a specific Gemini model. That is hidden in the settings. So I'll click Xcode and select the option Settings. Under Intelligence, I'll select our Gemini integration. On this window, you need to go to Models. And here you can select any of these Gemini models. For example, Gemini 3.1 Pro. Let's select that and close the window. So this is how to integrate Gemini models into Xcode for agentic coding.